smells like pine needles and adventure, Leo.
Make sure the weight is on your hips, not just your shoulders.
Welcome, explorers. The first rule of survival is always be prepared. Nature is beautiful, but it can be a maze if you don't have a map.
I hope my sneakers are okay for climbing these rocks.
We are heading northeast toward the creek.
If you get lost, blow this. 3 loud blasts is the universal signal for help.
3 blasts. Got it. I hope I don't need it. The trees are so tall. They're like green skyscrapers.
See these lines on the map? They show us how steep the hills are.
Wow, cool! Leo, look! The clouds are falling into the trees.
Stay close, everyone. The fog is making it hard to see.
Leo? Where did you go? Hello? Is anyone there? Ouch! My knee! Okay, Toby, don't panic. What did Ranger Sarah say? I have my tools. I am not helpless. I need to build a shelter before it gets dark. This can be the spine of my house. I need to lean branches against the log to make a roof. These are heavier than they look. Building is hard work. The leaves will trap the heat inside, like a blanket. My first forest home. It feels like a cocoon. Is that a bear or just a squirrel? It's probably just a bird. I need to stay calm. My yellow shirt is too thin for the night. It's so thin, it looks like aluminum foil. Whoa, it's getting warm already. It reflects my body heat. I bet Leo and Sarah are looking for me right now. This tastes like the best meal in the world. The creek! I can't drink the water directly, though. Water must be clear and treated. I have my filter straw. Watch your step! Don't slip on the wet rocks! I'll just take a little. I need to be careful. The filter pulls out the tiny germs I can't see. Hydration is key. Now, back to the shelter. The fog is lifting. I can see Polaris. If the creek flows south, I know which way to walk tomorrow. I need to sleep to have energy for the morning. Home, it's just over the hill. Nature is loud at night, but it's not scary. Morning! Time to be found! Let's move, but first, a signal. If a helicopter flies by, they need to see me. It's like a mirror. Flash, flash, flash! Deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Did they hear me? Was that an echo? Please be them. Please be them.
Toby! Oh, thank goodness you're safe! I didn't sleep all night. I was so worried.
Look at this shelter! Toby, you did everything right! This is professional work. You stayed dry and warm.
This thing is magic. It kept me like a baked potato.
You're a survivor, Toby. You didn't panic.
Let's get you back to the camp for a real breakfast.
Thank you.
Sounds like a great plan.
Yeah. I'm not just a hiker anymore. I'm part of the woods.
You've really connected with nature.
Is that a deer or a dog, Sarah?
2 toes and a heart shape. That's a mule deer.
They move through the fog much better than I did. The city is big, but the forest is bigger.
That shirt is a good signal color. We saw it from the ridge.
It is? Cool! I'm glad I chose yellow today. I want to learn how to make one of those next.
That's the spirit, Toby.
We can teach you.
It's all about friction and oxygen.
I saw a spark. I almost had it. I made fire. Well, almost fire.
Eat up. You need to recover your energy.
I see where I was. I was only 500 meters from the creek.
Wear this on your backpack. You earned it.
Wow! Thank you! This is my favorite souvenir ever. I feel like I can handle anything now.
What was the hardest part, Toby?
The waiting. Being alone is hard, but my tools help me. These shoes have a story to tell now. I'm going to sleep for a week.
You can sleep until we get home.
I'll use moss for the carpet and branches for the roof. People here don't know how to build shelters.
Home sweet home. Time for a real shower.
I'm keeping my survival kit ready, just in case. It looks like a space bed. A survivor's face. Clean and safe, but I miss the pine smell. I don't need a filter straw for this one.
The forest looked so mysterious in the fog.
I look like a wild man. I will write a blog title, How I Survived the Blackwood Fog. I want to help other kids be safe. I want to be a ranger when I grow up.
You're already on your way.
A good explorer takes care of his gear. forest dirt in the big city. We are never really alone under the sky. Communication is the most important tool. Wrapped in foil, just like me in the space blanket. This is the best adventure ever, Leo.
It is, buddy. These are delicious.
Always know where north is. Clear skies tonight. Good for the animals. This is much softer than moss. I like the sound of the creek. Gurgle splash. I am brave. I am smart. I am ready.
Good night, Ranger Toby.
Ready for the next one. The end.
How many whistle blasts mean help? What does Toby say he cannot do at the creek?